welcome to a new video. I am at the airport. As you can see, हम अभी boarding it पर हम इतना like उनने हमको रुकवाया था for like I think an hour almost, and we got late for an hour because I was traveling with Auntie, so there's some problems. So we had to do that. Someone had to send a letter, and then now we're finally at the boarding gate. और बेचारी वो I'm so excited. अब मैं बैठ के थोड़े से स्क्रॉल करूँगी. मैं इतना थक गई हूँ, मैं 2 घंटों से खड़ी हुई हूँ. And we're gonna do something. Let's see. So मैं आपको मिलती थोड़ी देर बाद. जब हमारी बोर्डिंग 10 मिनट में स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, which is kind of crazy, but I look so crazy right now and I'm so cooked. But we're gonna reach. मेरे को पता नहीं मैं पूरी फ्लाइट में करूँगी क्योंकि क्योंकि मैंने कुछ भी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग करा. आई हैव ओनली सॉन्ग्स. आई डोंट हैव पेपर. आई डोंट हैव एनी शिट. मैं पता नहीं क्या करूँगी पूरी फ्लाइट. I'll just like listen to songs and then like eat something because I'm actually hungry. Because I don't want to buy anything because like there's I don't want KFC or this thing. It's gonna be too heavy. So yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I started. So see how I look. I'm so excited for tomorrow. It's finally the haldi tomorrow. Hi. Hey guys, मैं कुत्ती बुक कर रही हूँ. फिर मैंने अपने चिप्स खोल लिया. They're so yum. Tastes absolutely good. So हमारे अभी तक बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, हो जानी चाहिए. And some random auntie in front of me is staring at me and giving me very weird looks. Cringe, but okay. So I have a lot of things to eat, but like I feel like this is so spicy. We are still not done with our boarding, which is kind of crazy. Now we gotta drink some water. And हम पता है कितनी बजे पहुँचेंगे दुबई क्या? Almost 2 बजे. दूर के 3:30 बजे. So 3:30 to 4:30. हम 9:30 बजे पहुँचेंगे हल्दी 11 बजे. मेरे को दांतों में तो जल रहा है. Crazy. And now a random uncle is staring at me. So spicy. This was good. So I'll show you my outfit now. I got more jeans and like shoes and that. Dang it! क्योंकि people are giving me such weird looks. Bye. Guys, मेरा मुंह अभी भी जल रहा है. मैं दांत जल रहे for some reason, which is not supposed to happen. Like इतना भी कुछ तीखा नहीं है. Like people are giving me like terrifying looks. If I really say.
This is now the final
Do you hear that? हमारी बोर्डिंग कब स्टार्ट होगी? हम बहुत लेट हो चुके हैं. लाइक दे डूइंग सो मच डे दैट दुबई के 3:30 बजे नहीं, हम दुबई के 2 बजे कुछ पहुँचेंगे. लाइक वी शुडंट बी डूइंग दैट, बट द आंटी इज लिटरली गिविंग मी द मोस्ट टेरिफाइंग लुक. ओह माय गॉड, she gave me the most terrifying look for some damn reason. I don't know when it's gonna work. So like, I so finally did. And कितने घंटों बाद आ चुके हैं finally. And I got the window seat. We finally got the window seat and हम finally आ गए. And I know it's not how corona. I just go putting on my AirPods and go and like go on a undisturbed mode. I'll on focus on me myself. Huh? It's so loud. Why is it giving so much deja vu? I'm done. So we're gonna do something now. Let me take my AirPods out. We're gonna set the seat. Let's prep the seat that I honestly need for hours now. So सबसे पहले मैं
ध्यान दें विमान में ईंधन भरने की प्रक्रिया जारी है इसलिए आप अपनी सीट पर बैठे रहे सीट बेल्ट ना बांधें और सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण बंद कर लें धन्यवाद
She just showed me to close my iPad. No. Too bad, too sad, but I'm getting now my AirPods. अब मैं actually like गाने चलाऊंगे, but अभी नहीं. When we're actually going to get out of this thing and we're gonna go landing, I can see the uncle. I'm so cringe. I don't want to shoot anyone. So yeah. We gotta put my AirPods here. That's it for now, I guess. Because मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. So मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगी. I'll rather sleep or listen to songs. Mostly गाने सुनूँगी because I just want songs, and then I'll eat. When I'm eating, I'll put that what do we say, a video that I actually screen recorded. But look guys, we have such a good view. Not that preppy because it's actually dirty out.
नमस्कार कृपया ध्यान दें रो एक आपातकालीन
सब आ चुके हैं. लाइक ये लोग बंद कर रहे हैं चीज़. तो अब सब आ गए प्लेन में. People will take like 20 minutes I guess to sit, and then अभी जो प्लेन में भर रहा है वो सब. I look so good. Let's take some photos. I'm actually terrified by knowing that मेरी मम्मी मेरे लिए कपड़े ले गई और मैं उस टाइम पे नहीं थी. मेरे को पता भी नहीं मेरे कपड़े कैसे दिखते हैं. I swear.
नमस्कार कृपया ध्यान दें रो एक आपातकालीन निकास
उनकी चॉइस इतनी ठीक नहीं है. मैं बता रही हूँ. I don't like the clothes she gets. Like sometimes I do.
नंबर के अनुसार ही बैठे रहे सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन है कि अपने बड़े बैग
मैं भी बिल्कुल मूड में नहीं हूँ शूट करने के लिए. It's actually really hot here and we're gonna be like going I think in 30 minutes. So I don't care, but मेरे को okay, I don't care, but I'm going to sleep now.
Closing head photo.
Look. Why do they have to talk when I'm talking? Oh, guys, look. Look outside. I'll show you the view. This is sucks, but like still. As we almost. Oh my god. So we're almost going and yoga outside. Oh my god. हम almost जाने वाले हैं and I'm like excited. So yeah, guys. My nails so dirty. Bye. Back when we are actually going. Our train reverse ले रहा है.
Make sure your mask is secured properly.
I don't know if you can see, but we're reversing right now.
Your life jacket
And
is under
I'm
your
finally
seat.
only
Unlike
like
the event of water
so
evaporation,
damn
slip the life
happy.
jacket over your head and secure its strap around your waist. At the exit,
You
put
can
the
see
red
how
towel
happy I
to
am.
inflate your life vest. Feel free to
मैं
inflate
बहुत
your tubes on
थकी
either
हुई
side.
हूँ.
For children, put only one top.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Look at the red thing there. So beautiful.
Your life jacket only after you have stepped out of the
What
plane.
is that? I
This life jacket
think
has a light
it's
which gets activated when the battery comes in
something.
contact with water. Please
Okay,
note that the life
guys.
jacket is to be used
Hopefully I
on
reach
the plane only
safely.
in case of emergency water landing after
No
the
need to
authorized
hope. I
use of the
will.
cabin crew, and not to be inflated or tampered
But
with
just
during
hope.
normal
Pray for
circumstances.
my reach safely. And मैं बहुत मस्ती करूँ.
There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 doors in the front, 2 doors at the rear, and 4 exits over the wings. They are clearly identified by exit signs.
Now we gotta look at things outside. I'll show you.
In case of an emergency, flow path clauses
अब मैं
in
गाना
flights will
सुनूंगी
guide you to the nearest
so
exit.
bye
In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. During an evacuation for your own safety and for the safety
take
of
off the
others, you are required to leave your hand baggage in the
तो
exit.
अभी हम कर चुके हैं and it's like crazy because मैं बहुत डर गई थी and I know that you guys can't hear anything or see anything because the lighting is very trash. So yeah, so they gave us food which is me and something which is basically Italy's vada and uttapam. My bad. इतना प्रेशर बढ़ गया बट मैं खा के बैठी हूँ. As I just ate and I'm very sleepy so बस सो रही हूँ. So मैंने एक एयरपोर्ट घुमा दिया है and plus मैं बहुत like हो चुकी हूँ. But I don't know what to do honestly. और मेरे कान में तो हम लैंड होने वाले हैं. ऐसा भी हम almost लैंड होने वाले हैं. अपना एयरपोर्ट नहीं मिला बट हम जाएंगे सो अभी हम ऑन द वे है सो हम जा रहे हैं अभी हम पहुँचते हैं सो हम पहुँच गए और मैं रेडी भी हुई हूँ हल्दी के लिए मैं आपको मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में तो सभी बहुत लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट नहीं किया तो कर देना बाय